Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use a heavy bag for beginners. I want you to be at the correct distance. What is the correct distance? If I'm here, I'm too close. If I'm here and I can't extend that full shot, I don't allow my feet to do the work when I'm throwing a jab. So I want to be just out of range of that bag, which will give me the ability to step in and throw that shot. The jab is the first shot that you need to master when you're starting boxing. It's the best punch in the book. So we want your balance. We want you to focus on that jab. Once you've got that jab and you're pushing off that back foot and getting it going, you can start to bring the backhand into play. So that jab backhand, to land that on the bag, you want to step with a jab, rotate with a backhand. So you're boom, boom, back to center. Now, after I'm throwing that, I'm coming and repositioning myself back in my boxing stance. So I'm landing with my jab. I've got that slight step in with my jab. I'm then bringing my jab backhand into play. So step throw, recenter. Step throw, recenter. Once you've got them two basic things, so you're distancing from the bag and how to step in with that jab and the jab backhand, I then want to start to work on some lateral movement. How do you move around the bag? Now, obviously orthodox or southpaw, I'm an orthodox fighter. So if I'm moving around the bag towards my front foot, I want to step with my front foot and pivot. When you're stepping and pivoting, the main mistakes people make is they don't stay on the ball of the foot on that front foot. So if I step and I'm not on the ball of my foot on my front foot, my foot's not going to be able to pivot around. So I want to slight step with the front foot, pivot. I'm recentering myself every time. Recenter, boom. Recenter, boom. If I'm moving towards my back foot, I want my back foot to lead it. So I'm starting here. I'm the correct distance from the bag. I'll step with my back foot, my front foot follows, I'll reposition. I'm ready to be able to step in and throw. I'm ready to be step in and throw. Same thing, step into the front foot, step pivot, boom, I'm ready to throw. Boom, boom, ready to throw. Once you've got that basic jab, that nice sharp jab where you're stepping in and out, and the same with the jab backhand, and you're moving, being able to move around the bag, the next thing I want to show you is incredibly important for you to be able to find your balance, recenter your balance, and create a rhythm. And what this is not every shot needs to be hard. So if I'm moving, I'm touching the bag. The reason I'm touching the bag is because I'm correcting my distance from the bag. So I touch it, I sting it. Touch it, sting it. Same with the jab backhand. I touch it, right? I touch it, I sting it. Moving around to the left, touching the jab, sting the jab. Moving around to the right, touching the jab, sting the 1-2. Touch them out, sting the 1-2. That is called tempo. Changing the tempo of your shots. One thing allows you to find your distance, allows you to make sure that your balance is correct before you really put some power behind your shots. And it also allows you to stay relaxed whilst you're fighting and find a nice rhythm when you're fighting. We're gonna put them together. I'm here, I'm touching the bag. I've got my distance from the bag, which is the main thing we're working on. Boom, I step in, I'm sharp. I can then move round to my left, touch it. Boom, boom, step in, sharp. Move round, touch, 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 touch. Touch. There's a variation in tempo there. I'm always positioned. I'm nice and balanced. I'm ready to be able to generate a little bit of power behind my shots, and then I bring that tempo back down. I touch my shots out. I'm moving around the bag, creating a nice rhythm, making sure I've got a nice balance ready to throw again. Get them basics down when you're first learning how to use the bag, and you really can't go wrong. The straight shots and the footwork and the jab are the main fundamentals for boxing. All the best fighters on the planet will have them down. They will nail them consistently, day in, day out. They will make sure that they're distancing, their straight shots, their jab, and the simple things with boxing are nailed before they start to progress. Nail them when you're learning how to use the heavy bag, and then you can start to progress it into different variations of shots and power punching.